Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to solve a problem under momentum. A force of 100 Newton was used to kick football of mass 0.8 kilogram. Find the velocity with which the ball moves. If it takes 0.8 seconds to be kicked 100 Newton, so F equals to 100 Newton was used to kick football of mass 0.8 kg. Is 0.8 kilogram. Find the velocity with which the ball moves. So we are to find the final velocity. If it takes 0.8 seconds to be kicked, so time equals to 0.8 seconds. The formula that we are going to use is this: Ft, that is, then we are going to use this formula. Ft equals to change in momentum, m into b minus u, and we are going to find the velocity, final velocity. So let's make it subject. Let's divide through by m cancel m, then we have b minus u equals to ft divided by m. B equals to ft divided by m. If you take this minus u into this side, you have plus u. Now b, final velocity, equals to ft divided by m plus u, where f is force of 100 Newton and t is time of 0.8 second, and then mass of 0.8 plus initial velocity here is 0 meter per second plus 0 plus 0. Yes, now b will be equivalent to 100 multiplied by 0.8 divided by 0.8. So 0.8 will cancel 0.8. Now we have 100 plus 0. 100 plus 0 is 100. So our final answer is 100 meter per second. So this is the velocity of the ball. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support me so that I will feel motivated. Like this video after subscribing to it. Write your comment if you have question, and then do me a favor, share this video to your colleagues. I know they will like this video. Thank you for watching.